Hello everyone, welcome back to Study Space. Now we are going to learn on how to create an application that sends an email, okay, using Android programming. The procedure is same for this things also. Okay, application for send like previous thing, like when you are sending and receiving an SMS. So I have to click on Android Studio, then choose MTBU activity, then click on the finish. Then you have to update the code in activity XML and Java file. So let us see how to do it. So how to do this? Just click on new, file new, and then project, then select empty views activity, then click on next. Okay, here change this, erase this and type. So first letter must be capital. So program number 11, or you can give user interface or anything. Then change here, if it is Kotlin, you do it. Now we are doing it in Java. Then click on finish. Okay, that file will appear here. I'm not using that because already I have created. Okay, if you click on finish program, just I'll click on finish. So with that name of the program, whatever you have given, so your project will be created but with the default of activity main and as well as Java. You have to wait for some times because the contents, everything has to be imported. So here you can see Gradle project, right? Everything will be imported. Until then you have to wait. So now we got two files, activity and Java file. If you want, you can keep on adding it. In the activity file, by default, hello text will be there. So here what you have to design, just we have to design the content for receiving. That means this is the page that I am going to create, like to whom I am sending, what is the message sent. So this is the thing that I want to, create. That means design it. So what I'll do here is I'll go to Android file. Okay, in the code, so I'm changing the layout to relative. This is optional. You can keep constraint layout also. That is not a problem. Only difference is if you give constraint layout, I can move the things around. If I give other than constraint like relative linear, I can't move the contents over the screen. So that is the only difference that is means. So I have taken edit text. So hint is 2. So here 2 appeared. Then one more edit text subject. So int is subject. Then one more edit text, drag and drop. How do you do that? So here, so just I'll go to design and just show you. So take it as text. Okay, text view, drag and drop. Again one more text, drag and drop. Then button, drag and drop. After dragging and dropping all those things, go to the code. Here I'm changing it. So since why I'm taking edit means if I take edit, it will allow me to type the contents like this. And what is this hint? 2 appears on the screen like 2, so that the user will come to know what he has to do, what he has to enter. So that in other languages like C or C++ in Java, we used to type it as enter the mail ID. But here it is not like that, right? So it is one application. That is why a user has to come to know what he has to enter. So that is why we are giving a prompt here. If you didn't give hint here, that 2 will not appear in the background, so user will not know what to enter. So that is why we are doing this. I have explained this in the previous also. So now ID, then message. So all these three things are three text, edit text. So only thing is everything is same. Only thing is you have to change it to subject, message. And don't forget to remember this edit to text, edit text messages. So these are the optional, that whatever name I want I can give it. Here I have given edit text. If you don't want, you can change it to text or whatever name you want, provided that while using in the Java file, same name you have to use it. And one more, I have used it as a button. So button, what is a text message that I have to type there. So I have given send, so it will show as a send. So now the designing is ready. Go and check in the design. Yes, 2 is ready. Subject, then to whom I am sending, then one button for sending this. So can I change this here? No, because the layout is relative. So like this I can drag and shape. Now after designing, I have to provide an interface. So in order to provide that interface, send the messages, so I have to write the code here. So everything will be there. The thing is, whatever the content that I have received, so text 2, store it once, then edit text, all those things I have created here. Edit text, edit to, edit this or the, I mean, variables that I have created, button to send, it is a class object. So retrieve the to text. To here is mail ID I will give. So to text, then edit text. So what text I am going to print, then the text messages. What I am going to send it, everything will then on click on send. So this is easy, right? R dot send, everything whatever I have clicked or send, whatever I have typed here, it will retrieve. So R is a resource ID and it will save it in this, I mean, objects. So after that, what I'll do is on click send email. So send email is a built-in function again. So what it will do, send email, I have written the code for here. Get text to whatever they have typed there, it will store it here and it will print the message, whoever it is start. And start activity, choose an email client. So whoever has, I have given that client, the mail address. So to them, the messages will be received. So that is the thing that you have to type it. Yes, this is just an easy Java, simple Java file. Just from the ID, you just store the contents. After storing it, you need to print the contents. So now here, just run and I'll show you. So it will take some time. Okay. So now application is getting open. Okay. Now here too. So too we can give mail ID. So like I'll just give so to whom I am going to send. Then subject. So I'll write meeting. Then what message? So I've typed one message. Then click on send. Okay, if it is allowable, see, you can share it through Drive or this Google. Okay, select, so it will be sent. You can go and check it in the mail. Some of the facilities will be supported right now, but few things will not be supported. Okay, because all these Android higher versions will not get supported to some of the systems, so that will be a problem. It may be a problematic, but until this, if you execute, it is enough, and you can go and check in the mail. So anyhow, it will display like this. Okay, so this is how you have to execute this program number 11, that is how to send and receive the information. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe.